cavernous hillside, some call it home. Clamping considerate grips on her wings as they sell her for rubies and loose diamond rings. Foulest intentions from bittersweet ghosts, repenting for eagles with talents for toes. Painstaking gems on their skulls opened up under practical willows with creatine tusks. Tedious dysentery fractures the breasts of impoverished illusions. Why aren't you dressed? Trapped under flint rock, collapsing in filth. Avalanche scoring and soaring from hills, breathing out fire from chemical lungs. Fringed with discomfort, flensing our thumbs. Hot as fresh crystal clanging like gongs. Cost of the gambit is mounting to some I'm not sure you go. If anyone knows, as your icy composure forecloses your glow, I'm content to think that anyone cares. It's a panic delusion and I wouldn't dare. That's why you wake up just shaking in fear. Sleepwalking in public, the horsemen are near. It was carved in her throat, it was sketched on his wrist. Just an innocent Valentine, one for the kids. They used stick knives and pins from the buttons they wore. Then hucked their own soul home just to blind their own God. Cutting the middleman out from their hearts. Oh, there goes the ink blood that's stained off the rock. And shot rancor is venom straight to the spot. We blocked out with romance.